I'm Shen. Welcome back to my channel, Mama Banana. So today I have another unboxing video for you. I just got an order in from Jujube, and what I have is a Super Bee in the Hello Kitty Friends print. So can't wait to show you what's inside. So I love this print. It is so cute. There's all the little Hello Kitty faces, and then there's the bunny. I think maybe the evil one, the bird. It's just so pretty. The yellow one, this burger looking type character, a donut looking one. I just think the colours are just so cute, and the grey and the blue, it's fun, but it's not in your face cutesy. It's perfect. Okay, so my baby, she just woke up, so I'm just baby wearing her for this video, so you might see some hands, feet, some eyes popping in, peering in. That's okay. Oh, the straps are nicely padded. This is lovely. Right, let's look at the front of it first. Like I said, this is my first Super Bee, so my plans are to bring this on holiday with me in a couple of weeks, and this will be my beach bag. So there is, yes, a zippered pocket in the middle here. Oh, this is actually quite slim fitting. I could just about put my hand through, and it goes down to about here. Okay, and then these pockets here, quite deep. I think these are somewhat insulated to help keep your drinks cool. So I have my water bottle here. I bought this on Amazon. It is the Ion leak proof bottle, 500 mils. What I love about these bottles are it's just one touch, press button, lid pops off, and you can drink away and pop back on. So it's not two-handed. You don't need a second hand to drink out of this. So you don't need to be turning the lid off, holding onto the lid, and then popping it back on. So handy when you're breastfeeding. So of course this will fit. This is a very slim bottle. Goes in perfectly. Love it. Okay, and let's open it. So there is a large zip here that goes all the way across. So, oh, and the blue is absolutely gorgeous, and there is the stitching here. Hello Sanrio, and the famous Hello Kitty red bow. It is so cute. I absolutely love it. On the inside there's two large mesh pockets. Should be a bit loads. I might do a test pack of this. Has a beach bag, so it may or may not be a packing video. We'll see. And there's a large zippered pocket on the inside. I love these bags. The fact that they're machine washable just makes them amazing. And there is a keyling on the back here. There is a large pocket with a snap button. So this is perfect for, I don't know, changing mats, magazines, etc. I've actually gone off magazines for a while. I just haven't had time, but I think for this on holiday I will be bringing some magazines. That's where I'll store them. And I seen on the Sensible Mama, she had a hack where she turned the bag inside out. So I'm just going to turn mine inside out and see how it looks. This print is so pretty on the inside with the blue. That looks really well inside out. I may or may not take these tags off. I don't know. I will see. I think it would look better if it didn't have the tags on. loving this inside out. I think this print works really well. Obviously, well, I guess you can zip it closed, alright, if you tuck the handles in. Yes, actually you can zip it closed, but then you won't have access to the straps. And I actually have a messenger bag strap that I bought, so I might try with this as well just to see how it looks, because there are these little loops at the end of the bag. That's not it. There where you can attach a messenger strap. So I may try that. And the black and this shade of blue looks really well together as well on the other side. Let's see how this looks on. So this is a non-body shot of the Super B in the Hello Kitty Friends print inside out. I think it looks lovely. Now, I think for me it might be more functional the other way around, but this is so cute. When I'm on the beach I might switch it up and turn it inside out some of the days. I think this looks really cute inside out, so thank you very much, Amber at the Sensible Mama, for that great idea. Okay, now just to turn it back the other way around and see how that looks on body. And here is the bag the right way around. I think it looks really well. I love this that it's cute, but it's not overly cutesy, so you don't look too childish with it on. I love these type of prints. Being Asian, I get slagged a lot over here in Ireland when I wear cutesy stuff, so at least this isn't too obvious. So cute! I absolutely love it. And here I have the Jujube Black Magic Messenger strap paired up with my Super B with the Hello Kitty Friends print. And I think this goes really well. Thank you very much for watching my video, and if you like this video please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.